Well, I'm Kenny Lowry, and today we're going to take a look at the Cascade Fire Fountain. Now, this is a fire fountain that we have the water coming out of a separate area on the boulder. Some of the places we have the water coming out actually underneath the fire. But this boulder here allows us to put that water coming out the front, has a nice cascading effect off the front there. And then we put a linear fire pit here in the back. Now, I really like this combination. I think it has a really great sound. Be great right next to your patio or someplace like that. Set some chairs around this fire pit. I think it's really a nice setup. You would have the sound of the water, the fire here at night. Of course, you'd want to uplight your water coming off there at nighttime too, to have kind of a soft light. I like the linear look to it, kind of a more modern look than some of the round ones. And this boulder itself has a lot of character. I think this is a great boulder. You could set wine glasses on it or wine bottles. There's enough room to set things on. It's kind of a coffee table height, which I think is ideal for a fire pit. Also be a great just landscape boulder because it is flat on top. You could sit on it or use it as a coffee table. If it was just the fountain only, then you would have this area up here that you could use as well. So it's a pretty versatile boulder. It allows us to do about anything that we normally do with the boulders on it. Now this GFRC boulder stands for glass fiber reinforced concrete. It's the same material used in zoo exhibits and animal habitats. It has the look, the feel, and texture of real rock at about 1/5 the weight. Now, it has the feel rock. If you come out here on a cold day, touch it, it feels dense, feels cold. It has the detail that was on that mother rock, the amazing amount of detail on it. We do have the flow control here in the back, and I'll turn it up. Right there is all the way up. And then I'll turn it down. I think with most of these fire pits, you need to burn them at about a medium level, is what I would recommend. This is about a medium level. Of course, you can turn it down some more. But I think right the middle flame control there is about right. Right now, I'll grab the camera and show you up close. Now, we do have it set up here in the landscape. Of course, you would set it on maybe near your patio or sitting area so you could have room to put chairs around the back of it. Prop your feet up on it. I'll get close here so you can hear that water and see it. It's got a nice sound to it, a lot of action with the water cascading over the boulder there. You can kind of see some of the detail on the boulder. This boulder has a lot of character. And then we do have it set up on propane, so we have the bottle back there. You can see, of course, there's various ways of disguising that. You can also do natural gas. You have to let us know when ordering. Right now, I'll get up close and show you on the detail on the boulder. You can see every crack, crevice, anything that was on that mother rock was picked up on this boulder. You kind of get a sense of how flat it would be on top if it didn't have that fire element on there. Then we'll go to the back, show you the back of the boulder, our flow control for the gas over there. So the boulder does have a lot of character all the way around. It's a really pretty boulder. And like I said, setting it up near a sitting area I think would be, it's nice to have the fire element too, but it's also nice to be able to use it. So you can use that fire pit for warmth as well as just ambiance.